always able to score a cone. Oh, yes, they are. 9094 able to score a cone as well. 103 is out of bounds and engaged on the charge station. 5740 trying to get a cone. 6808 is making their bottom pushback to get a cone into the lowest node. 9094 not like these teams really create their links to get to the roof. 103 is zipping around the field with their swerve drive. Let's see what they're going to get. They got a cone. That's right. 533, you got a cube. Let's see if they're going to take it over and put it on the nose. 103 is to put a cone in the top node. Very on that. 6808.
Why are there so many cubes?
It is great to see. 9094 moving across, trying to power into the substation. 5740 moving across. Wow, look at all the cubes. That's a lot of cubes.
By who?
I think that will be it. 9094. Got another cube. 6808. Push it. Cubes. Let's go.
So like what do you kind of like around actual that was a smart move if it's going to lock that cube and starting it there.
30 seconds away. Let's see which teams are going to get their charge stations and engage. 6808 is trying to get on the ramp. Let's see if 9094 ball suit. Will they go to engage? 53 is also on the charge station. And engage. Let's see if Pascack will follow them as well. Will we get a double engagement? We will see. Ooh, it's over. So that never happens. 9094 and 6808 are engaged.